today I got a Zeta drive back from repair. And that's it. Let's see if it works. So these are Zeta drives. There's 2 for the black and 2 for the yellow on this level. So that's 1 on the drive and 1 on the op for each couple. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is turn the hydraulics on. All right, so first we're going to hit upper level. So that's this. It's got that little design kind of. I'm going to go to local function, valve override, and I'm going to look for ink rail. So I'm going to turn the ink rail off. Alright, so we got the rail up. That way any ink that comes down is going to drop right into the pan. So this right here is the motor. So that Zeta is going to drive this motor, which is going to drive this ink module. So I'm going to turn on the purge, and that couple should spin. You can see that that is spinning. At least I hope I can see it. And then the same thing on the drive side. And we got movement there as well. And there's ink coming out of the ink rail. I'll turn that off. If you look at these lights, you got this light here and that light. They're about to turn off because it's going to shut down. What that means, that says that it's stepping. So that means the motor is driving. They just turned off, so we know these 2 are for the black level. So I'm going to replace this one. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to pull the power out first. And then this plug will come out. And then this connection we have to unscrew. Alright, so I got a bolt up here in the back. I got 2 underneath. And for this you need a long screwdriver. And I'm just going to loosen it up. I'm not going to take those screws all the way out. So we know that one's good. Here we got one back from repair. Plug this in. And apply power. So we got one green light, that's good. Now I just got to make sure that it will actually drive the motor. So this one moved. This one moved for a little while, but then stopped. Alright, you can see it's struggling. And now it's done. So that's no good. So you can see the step light does come on. So the drive is providing it power, it's just not providing with enough power, or the right power. So let's try the original. Always do the power first. So we're back to the original drive. That's what it should look like. Nice and steady. And make sure that it doesn't time out when it gets up to full speed. So it ain't coming down. It's all good. And I'll put the rail back down. And we're done here. So the main purpose of this is to drive that motor and get ink into the ink train. This one isn't going to do that, so it has to get tagged bad.